Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I have a sink full of dirty dishes, but not for long because this faucet will take care of them fast. So this faucet is definitely in my favorites list. I think my favorite thing about it is that it lights up, which I will get more to in a minute. But I also love this spray feature. It's not too harsh that it's going to harm your vegetables or hurt your hands when you're washing it. It's spring loaded, so you can pull and yank on it and then you just put it right back where it goes and it goes in with ease and there's no problem. So this is the light up feature. It is blue when it's cold, green when it's warming up, and red when it's hot. And I love this feature because I have kids and they're not going to get surprised by scalding hot water when they're trying to wash their hands. So that is a good safety feature for me. I really appreciate that. And I don't want to forget to mention how pretty it looks day or night. That light is a beautiful feature. So I also wanted to mention how easy this was to install. It came with everything you needed. Now it's a sink faucet, so those are no fun regardless, but this one was pretty easy as far as that goes. Look how beautiful this is. So it comes in this silver color and it also comes in matte black. And I chose the silver because I thought it would match my sink better. But I absolutely love it, and I know that the black is just as beautiful. I love this faucet, especially the light up feature, and I think you're going to love it too. And that's just my point of view.